Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this foam heart and doily from Dollar Tree. I started by painting the foam heart with Barley Pink chalk paint, and that's by Folkart. I just gave that full coverage. I used my heating tool to dry it, but I made sure not to leave the heat on one spot too long, and I had the heat on the lowest setting. Once that was dry, I Mod Podge one side of the heart. It kind of has like a seam all the way around. I just went by that and Mod Podge just one side. While that's still wet, I placed down the doily, and I did coffee stain this. I'm using 2 of them. It comes in a 2-pack, so I just coffee stained them both. I place that down on the wet Mod Podge and kind of just form it around that side of the heart. And then take my heat tool, again on low, not leaving the heat on one spot too long, and use a little bit of heat, and then I push down on the doily to get it to stick to the heart. Once I have that completely adhered, I go around and cut off the excess fabric. After I have that cut, I take a small paintbrush and a little bit of Mod Podge and just touch up any spots that didn't stick down around that edge. And then go around again with the heat tool just to make sure that's stuck down completely. I then do the same process on the other side. And again, after the excess fabric is removed, I go around with the Mod Podge and just make sure it's all stuck down there. Next, I take this burlap trim, which I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I hot glue that to the top of the heart and then kind of at an angle. I don't hot glue across the heart, just at the top and then towards the bottom, and then meet it back up at the top, cutting away the excess. Next, I'm making a small messy bow, and I'm taking different fabrics and some lace ribbon and crisscrossing them back and forth in an X, just until I have it nice and full. I then take some twine, wrap it around the center, and pull that nice and tight, knot it a couple times, and cut off that excess twine. And then trim up some of the fabrics just so they're not too long. Hot glue that bow to that burlap trim and add some more of that to the center of the bow. Now you can leave it just like this. It's really pretty and really cute as is, but I wanted it to kind of stand up so you could see it better on a shelf. So I'm just making a small stand, and all I'm using is a dowel. I take this small dowel. I don't know what size it is. If I'd had to guess, I'd say about 1/8 of an inch. I cut that down and just stick it right in the bottom of the heart on the back side, opposite of the bow, and just trim it down until it sits fine, which ended up being just about 2 inches. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.